Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be playing a voice note that surfaced on the internet, and it appears to involve some scammers, or at least a scammer talking to another scammer, I guess their co-workers. Now, I'm going to play you the message so you can hear what I say. Right. Again, this is one of them leaked messages that end up on the internet, end up on TikTok, end up on WhatsApp. So we can't verify what talk or nothing like that, but the message within the voice message is what is important. I can show you how easily things escalate in the scamming community. I'm going to show you why, as you hear me say many times, money mixed with acidity equals death and destruction. You've been told all your life that all the youth them need is money. If them just get some money in them pocket, then the violence will stop. Of course, if that was the case, then Moby and them place they would be the safest places on earth. The most violent individuals, the most well armed, the people who fight the most gang wars, commit the most shootings and them things there. They have a whole heap of money in their pocket. Money is not them problem. So I'm going to play the message. So listen up to this voice message. Scammer, I talk to scammer. Check this out.
The work, bad man. If you put code for the bad man, I'm go walk it thing, dog. Bad man, you see if you ever make me dopey pass, my brother, and me not get to lick me dopey in idea, bad man, and you put code for the bum buckler or something.
Alright, now I'm stop this. So now you hear him mention about dopey. Some of you might be confused because normally when they hear Jamaicans talk about dopey, they might talk about somebody but they done gone. Either they might talk about, some kind of spirit, or they might talk about making dopey, which means them kill somebody. But in this context, he's actually referring to his quote-unquote client. Yes, in this scamming world, there are many names where the clients them get. Some of these names are only relevant to certain communities. Some of them are more general across the entire scamming community, but some of the little different place them. For example, Moby man, they might have one name. Man from Westman might have another name. Another man might have another name, etc. So, some of these names that are used to refer to the clients are names like Dopey, as you just hear, Ghost, Bat, Skull. Now, when you notice, the name them have a similar trend. They're all surrounding some kind of death or darkness. When you notice that? Dopey, Ghost, Skull, Bat. Now the scamming community is now very intertwined with the ritual community. This is why you see your favorite scammer have goat head, a drink straight from it. This is why you see when I cut off chicken head and I flash it on themselves and all kind of rituals. So when you hear them refer to client and I call them skull, bat and dopey and everything there, understand that the whole scamming lifestyle, even though it might look luxurious, even though it might look enticing on the outside, there's a very sinister side to it. Now for the youth them are involved in it, them a dabble, them a play with some things where I'm not sure if them know what them really get themselves into. Man might tell them, say, yeah man, let's do this man and this, I can lead to this. But I don't know if them really understand what they get themselves involved in. Some of them, because you have the man they just follow crowd. I know say you probably have the man they deep in night and know what go on. But some very spooky stuff. So they might talk about my dopey, man a thief in dopey. You might say the other client, the other scammer, a try thief in client. The code we might talk about, that is a code where them give the target, the person who will be the victim in this scam. So when time them call, them are gonna say, here is the code, and then the person are gonna know, alright, start communicate with this individual. Them do that to shut out other scammers. This is why he's so upset, because it sounds like say originally it was his target, and then he made the next one communicate with the victim for some reason. But then the next one end up give the target, right, or the victim a code. So when him now try get back to his quote unquote client, right, things now work out smoothly because the person has to them say, right, so what's the code? Right. Me I try scam somebody, right? Me bring in Simon for whatever reason, right? Simon maybe talk to him one time to convince him something. When me call back my target, my dopey, my skull, and me I say, yeah, so me could continue now, right, with this prize we are going. My dopey, right, I go tell me say, alright, but what the code? I'm thinking, which code? Me not know code. So now me I realize say a Simon, right, who me did put on the dopey, tell them say, make sure say this code did it. Right. So now he must send, right, this voice message. Listen up again.
Bad man, me a murder your little sister, you know, bro. Bad man, a this say they in a dog. Bad man, how you do, dog?
Now, as you can hear, because this youth is so upset that the next one a thieving client, you hear the next thing when him go to? Immediately, he starts to send threats to the family members of his co-worker, his fellow scammer. When you see how fast I escalate, them go from 0 to 150 in 1 second. Right. It wasn't no, make we meet and then only for a long talking to see if we can work out something. Make we see if we can, alright. You notice he didn't even suggest no kind of split, alright, you get this and you get this. He was like, you know what, if me lose my dopey, he doesn't even threaten him. Him threaten him little sister. Because he's aware that threatening the little sister probably gonna have more effect, right, than just threatening the scammer. Because the scammer might go say, alright, come do it now. Alright, I want to see how you go test me. Alright, you think you alone have gone? But the little sister is vulnerable. The little sister probably go to school where the other scammer knows where she there when school done. So by threatening the sister, it will have more effect in getting back his dopey. Now you see why you constantly hear about friends and family of scammers getting attacked and murdered. Right? Because in that world, as soon as things go according to plan, as soon as man thief client, as soon as man thief lead sheet and them sitting there, the very next step is violence. I tell you all the time, Jamaica is not, right, the originator or the most dominant people when it comes on to scamming. What makes Jamaican scammers headline making is their propensity for violence. Other countries have scammers too. Other countries have way more advanced scamming tactics and make a whole heap more money. But our scammers, violence immediately. What you say? That never work out according to plan? Alright, go shoot up the whole house. Burn down the whole house, kill everybody. Then what happen after that? Retaliation. Then what happen after that? Retaliation. So when you see how easy things get out of hand. When you see why when people that say this scamming thing now go end well for Jamaica and you know the immediate backlash. Oh yeah, bad mind the youths and fight against youths them. You know one youths have nothing. Enough of the people them who that say that, enough of them have to run away from the community them, but in the day. Enough of the people them who that defend, right, the original set of scammer them who that war, right, and I say I just bad mind, they're bad mind. Enough of them who used to live on Mobian in place there, Westmoreland have to run away. Because scammer war gets so hot, them have to run away from their community. They can't live in peace. The man them get their money and them can do anything with the money. But the next step, buy a gun. And because enough of these scammers, right, are constantly in disputes, the one them who don't want to buy the gun themselves and fight the wars themselves, because you have man 87 and scammer. But you have some scammer when they really built for the violence, right, in terms of doing it themselves. Some of the scammer them only like the flossing side of it. Them only like getting the money, spending it, buying the liquor, buying the eagle eye, right, you know, going to the dance and money pull up on them only like that side. Them want to dress up in the Christian Dior, right, the Muslim Dior. Them want to dress up right in the latest clothes and them thing. So what them want to do is them go recruit 87 to act on their behalf. Gang say, alright, buy one 5 gun for we. Buy one 10 rifle for we. Once that scammer buy them gun there for that gang is now indebted to that scammer. Anything happen, them go fight the scammers battle. But according to your favorite experts, once the youth them start make money, Jamaica go just transform into a safe place. Because all the youths them need is just money. All the youths them from Mobile, Westmoreland, South St. Andrew and them place there. St. Catherine North and South. Right, Hanover. All them need is just money. Once them get money, then Jamaica will become a utopia. Right. Peace and love will reign. Link me for a unicorn. We just restock. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section. Patreon squad, pick up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, as vile and grotesque as you are, even vultures deserve to eat. Stay circling. Bless.